What the fuck are you even doing if you haven't tried the gelatin plus 3 ingredient recipe to finally melt that stubborn belly fat? Please stop messaging me because this is the last time I'm going to show you how to make it, so pay attention. This was me before stuck at my heaviest weight.
And this is crazy. I mean, look, my belly fat is gone. I got my energy back and I did it all right from my own home.
I first saw it on a short NBC and women's health piece that wasn't meant to air about a gelatin plus 3 ingredient mix top celebs use to melt stubborn belly fat. I had tried everything, low carb, low fat diets. None of those worked. Since the start of the year, I've kept the weight off and I actually sleep through the night without getting hot. Even at my last checkup, my doctor said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. That's when I knew this was real. It's too simple, too effective, and it's digging into the industry's profits. That's why they try to remove it fast every time I upload it. If you're seeing this, then you're in luck because the short clip that shows you exactly how to make this simple morning gelatin mix is still up.
I urge you to tap the Learn More button below and watch it now before Big Pharma takes it down again.